Hey guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. I want to introduce to you this new Bitcoin or crypto mining website. So with this tutorial, I will show you how to set up this kind of website, and I'll also show you how the website works. What you are seeing right now is the home page of the website. Everything can be controlled from the admin dashboard, and it also have a client side or the user dashboard. This is the about us page. Every content and picture you see here can be edited from the admin side. So I will create an account now. I'll go to register. I'll create an account to access the user dashboard. So I'll put in my username, put in my email address. I'll select a country, select a country. So let me select the country. I'll select this country, put in my phone number. So for the password, it has some criteria. The first one is you have to input one small letter minimum, one capital letter minimum, one number minimum, one special character minimum, and 6 character password. So I will have to type my password here first. So I will type in 1 2 3 4 5 6, one special character and one capital letter and a small letter. So I'll copy this, I'll paste it here, I will paste it under the confirm password too. Then I will have to accept the privacy policy, terms of service, cookie policy, and the usage policy. So you can actually view this page now to see the various policies. So these are the policy, and you can actually edit this content from the admin side. So let's continue. Now I'll click on register now. So I'm registering now. So right now is I have to fill in my name. So I'll put in my first name, put in last name, address. I'll put in this. For state, I'll put in New York. For zip code, I'll put in a zip code. For city, I'll put this. Then I will submit. So what you can see on my screen right now is the user dashboard. It's asking me to verify my KYC. So KYC verification is required. So you can see KYC is a mandatory process for identifying and verifying the identity of the client when sending money using our remittance sites. After providing all of the information requested by the administrator, one of our administrators will verify it and declare you KYC verified. So right now I will verify my KYC. Now I will click here to verify. So now I will have to fill in this KYC form. I'll put in full name again. I'll select my gender, which is male. So hobby, I'll pick one. Then a photo, I'll just go and select a photo. Let me say photo. Okay, copy this. I'll pick that photo. Then I will submit. Now my KYC verification is pending. What I'll do now is I'll go to the admin side now to approve that KYC document. So let's log into the admin side. This is the admin form. I will put in the username and the password. See right now, this is the admin dashboard. What I want to do now is I'll go to manage users and I'll go to KYC pending. You can see it's saying 1, so that means that I have 1 KYC pending. I'll click on KYC pending now. You can see this is the user that submitted KYC documents. I'll click on details. So this is the user details now. Since I'm only concerned with the KYC details for now, I'll go to KYC data. I'll click KYC data, and it will display the KYC document submitted by the user. So what I have to do now is you can view the attachment here to view the particular user's KYC photo. So this is the KYC document. So now I will click on approve. click yes. So you can see now KYC approved successfully. I'll go to my mail now. I'll refresh. You can see now KYC what approved. The user actually received a mail. Now I will come here and refresh. So you can see now that the KYC notice has disappeared. So what I will do right now, I will go through the deposit now. I will deposit now. I will select one of the payment gateways. We have so many payment gateways, so I will choose the Bitcoin manual deposit. I will put an amount, $900 and I'll click submit. So when I submit now, so you have requested $900, please pay this amount. Now this is the wallet address I'll pay into. After payment, I will have to upload proof of payment. I'll come here and upload these receipts. Then I'll say pay now. You can see now it say your deposit request has been taken. So this is actually the deposit log. When you go to this place now, deposit log, you can see it shows your deposit log. So I'll go back to the admin dashboard now to approve this deposit so that the user account will be credited. So I'll go to deposits, approved pending deposits. Okay. See now this is the deposits. I'll click on details to see the details of the deposits, and I'll click approve. Then I'll click on yes. Then I'll go back to my mail. Now you can see now when I submitted this deposit, because the deposit request submitted successfully. You can see the details. And when the admin approved the deposit, I also received the mail that says the deposit is what approved. This is absolutely awesome. So now I'll go back to my user dashboard now. I'll click on dashboard. You can see the $900 which I deposited has been added to my balance. And you can see the deposit too has been added. So what I'll do now is I'll go to plan to purchase a plan. So I'll say buy plan. This is the plan available on the platform now. You can see now I will say buy now. It's a USDT plan. Then the plan price is $50. Then I will select the payment system. If I'm paying from my balance or making a direct payment. So making a direct payment means that you will have to deposit to buy this plan. So what I have to do now is I will deposit from my balance. So I will click my from balance and say buy now. Still loading. So plan purchased successfully. Now I've successfully purchased this mini plan. So I can click on this place now to view the details. You can see the purchase dates, the plan title, the plan price. The miner is actually USDT Theta. The speed is 1 hash per second, and the return per day. So I'll receive 10.000 per day. That will be my profit. And the many days actually 1 day is left. So it's just a 1 day plan. So I will exit this now. So that is it for the user dashboard. So let me take you through the withdrawal now. We go to withdraw now. As you can see now, it's saying please update your wallet address. So I'll come to my profile now. I'll come to wallets. Then I'll put a wallet address here. So let me just put this demo wallet address. I'll say submit. Then I'll go back to withdraw again. So withdraw now. So you can see now, minimum withdrawal limit is actually 200 and maximum withdrawal limit is what? 300. So right now I'm not having up to that, so I can't actually make withdrawal right now. It's when my profit has been added to my balance, then I can be able to withdraw. So if I try to withdraw it, will give me an error. You can see amount must be at least 200, so I'll put in 200 now. You can see you don't have sufficient amount in your wallet yet, so I can't make withdrawal right now, except when my profits has been added from mining, has been added to my balance, then I can be able to withdraw. So when you go to referral, you can see my referral, then you can see referral bonus log. So when you go to my referral, you will see the various users which you have actually referred into the platform, and you can actually copy your referral link. So you can copy your referral link now, you can give it to anybody to register with your referral link, then you will earn your referral bonus. So your bonus log is under referral bonus log. So this is the log that shows the user the amounts you earned, the level and the percent and the time which the user actually registered, and the amount which you earned from the user registration will also be displayed here. So you can actually open a ticket. Maybe you want to ask, or you want to lay down a complaint to the admin. You can open a ticket here. So you can create a ticket. That's all your ticket will display here. Then you create a ticket to create a ticket. So now I'll create one ticket now. I'll say, for example, I'll say pending mining bonus. So you can choose either high priority, low, medium priority, or low priority. So I can say, for example, my mining bonus has not been added to my account yet. So I can choose to add a file, then I can choose not to add a file. So I'll click submit. You can see ticket open successfully. When I go to all tickets now, you can see now, so this is the ticket. And when you go to the admin side, when you go to the admin side, support ticket, you can see pending tickets. You see now, so you can come in and say details. So these are the pending tickets. So let's go to the user side now. So for this, if the user wants to edit his own details, he has to go to the profile. And see, this is where you can edit your details. Then you fill in whatever details you want to change, and you click on submit. Click on submit. You can see profile updated successfully, and you can also set up two-factor authentication, two-factor security. Yeah, you can see using the Google Authenticator OTP. You can also see your transaction logs under transactions. You can see now when you deposited $100. You can see then we purchased a plan of 50 USD. So that is it. You can also change your password here. To this place you want, change your password. Change your password. So I'll go back to dashboard now. So this is how the user dashboard works. So let me take you through the admin dashboard to explain each feature in the admin dashboard for you. So this is the admin dashboard. You can see right now the various statistics showing on the dashboard: the total miner, the total number of plans on this platform, the total sale amount, total amount deposited, pending deposits, rejected deposits, and so on. We have this chart too showing. You can see them too: monthly deposits and withdrawal reports, transaction report too. You can see all of them right here. You can see them right here. So when I go to miners now, this actually show all miners. So right now I can add a new miner now. I can say add. You can see right now. I can say, let me put it, let's say Bitcoin miner. So Bitcoin miner. I will select an image. So I don't think I have a Bitcoin image. So let me check. So I will go get a Bitcoin image. Select this. Save image now. So we come here. See now, so I will set a minimum withdrawal limit. I will say the minimum withdrawal limit is 500. So you can see now the maximum withdrawal limit is what? 1,500. Then the coin code can be BTC. I will then submit. You can see now Minng added what successfully. So Minng added successfully. Then when you go to all plans now, these are the various plans which I have created under each Minng. So this plan here is under the USDT words Minng. So I can come create a new plan here. I can call it and say let's say the silver plan. Then Minng to be under Bitcoin Minng. Then the price which you can use to purchase this plan is 100 USD. The return fixed amount can be either return amount type can be either be fixed or can be random. So I will choose fixed, and the return amount per day can be 50 or let me say 20 USD. Then the speed is 4.2. For period can be number of days, let me say 2 days. You can leave features to be empty. You can also write a description here too. So and then click submit. Now say plan created was successfully. So when you come here to the user side again and click on buy plans, you can see now that we have what? 2 plans here. You can see now the Minng now under USDT Theta Minng we have a plan, and under Bitcoin Minng we have what? In that plan. So now I'll go to manage users now. This way you can actually manage all the users on the platform. So when you click on the details of a particular user, you can see the details of the user. You can see the balance is what? 850 USD. The total deposit of the user is 900 USD. Total withdrawal will be here too, and the 2 transactions which the user have done is being what recorded. So you can see balance here. When you can see, you can add to the user balance. So I can add 10,000 to the user balance now and say your referral commission. So this is just an example. I will say what? Submit. Still loading. You can see 10,000 has been added successfully to the user's balance. You can see now. Then I can also subtract from the user balance now. So I'm going to subtract what? 50. You can say let's say charges, for example. I'll work. Click submit. You can see now the money was deducted from the user balance. When you click on logins, it shows the time, the various number of times the user have actually logged into the platform, with the time he logged in, the IP address is using, and the locations and the browser the user used. Because you can see right now my location, my browser, my IP address. So when I go back again, and I see, you can see notifications here. You can see all the users notifications that was sent to the user. So this we actually got this we actually sent to the mail. You can see now. You can see it. So I can also send what notification to the user. You can see now. I can say, for example, check your account. The body can say, we suspect some unusual activity in your account. So when I click submit now, mind you that this notification will send via email. So when I go to my mail now, you can see it now, check your account. You can see we suspect some unusual activity in your what account. So sent to my email address. So I'll go back to the user details now. You can see I can actually log in into this particular user login account. All I have to do is click login as user. You can see now that will log in into the dashboard of that particular user. As you can see now. So from the admin dashboard, you can log in into the account of any user. Still loading. So this is the dashboard of the user now. This is dashboard. So I'll close it up now and I'll go back to. So remember the KYC data. This is where you can view the KYC details and you can actually ban this user. So you can verify you can do email verification for this user, a mobile verification for the user, and a two-factor authentication for the user. And you can also verify the KYC detail of the user. Then all you have to do is click on what? Submit. So under banned users, you can view all the users that has been banned. Same thing goes for email, unverified email. So user with unverified email will display here. Same go for the mobile verified. Users that have KYC unverified will also display here, and the ones with KYC pending will display here. So the users with pending, so users with balance we display what here, and all users what we display under all users, including the one that's been banned and whatever. So you can send notification to all users. So you go to notification to all. This is where you send mail to all what users. So by the time you go to payment gateway now, we have automatic gateways and we have manual what gateways. So let's go to automatic gateways. You can actually set payments, this payments gateway. So if you want to go to authorize now, click on what? Edit. So authorized internet is actually one of the payment gateway. You could put in your login ID, put in your transaction key, and what is what done. So you click what? Submit. Same thing goes for what? The blockchain. You can click on edit. Just fill in the necessary details. Put in the API key, this what code to fill in this, then you would click on submit. So any of these payment gateways you want to disable, you just have to click what disable and say confirmation alert is what yes, and each one you disable will not show on the user side. You can see the status right now saying what disabled. Same thing go for the other payment gateways. We can also go to what manual gateways, where we can also add manual gateway to. Right now we just have one manual gateway, and you can click on add new to add a new manual gateway. So right now I will add a manual gateway. Let me say what USDT manual payments, and currency will be what? USDT. So one USD, same thing as one USDT. So the minimum amount can be what? 100. Maximum amount will be 1,000. Fees charge can be 1. Percentage charge 1%. You can say then the deposit instruction will be deposit only USDT to this USDT wallet address. So you can come here and put in the USDT address. To make it bold, you can highlight the address that you want. Click on this B here, bold now to be bold. For user data, this user data part means that when the user finish depositing, what do you want to collect from them? So these are actually the form. So now you say form type is either a test area, a select box, check box, radio box, or what? A file. So you can put file, you can make it required, make it optional. So I'll make it required here. So the form label can be proof of payment, and the file extension that they will be able to upload will be JPG, JPEG, PNG, and whatsoever you want it to be. So I'll click add now. Then I'll click submit. So mass limit must be written down 1,000. Okay, mass limit. Where is mass limit? Mass limit. Okay. Okay, maximum. So let's say 10,000. So they can't be the same actually. I'll come here again to add new. I added 5 before. I'll make it require proof of payments, and I'll select an extension of the file. Okay, then I'll click on add. Then I'll click submit again. You can see now I'll go to manual gateways again. My USDT manual payment has been added, and now since it's enabled, it will actually show on the user side. So I can make it disabled, it will show on the user side. So by the time you go to deposits, so pending deposits, so there's no pending deposits on the platform now. All pending deposits will be displayed here. All approved deposits will show under approved deposits. You can see the details of each approved deposits. So I'll go back now. Successful deposits will also show there. Rejected deposits too. The deposit which you rejected as the admin will display here. Initiated deposits too. Deposit that has been initiated will display here. While all deposits will display all deposits with these various statistics. So I will go to withdraw right now. All pending withdrawal will show under pending withdrawals. Approved withdrawals will show under approved withdrawals. So it's actually similar to that of deposits. For tickets, you can go to pending ticket to view all the pending tickets. You can see it's pending tickets. You can close the ticket too, and you can go to close tickets, answer tickets, and all tickets. See all tickets here. See now. So these are actually, when you go to the port, you see transaction log, login history, notification history, referral bonus log. So I'll go to transaction log now to see all transaction logs done by the users. When you go to login history, you see the login histories too of each user. The same thing goes for notification history. You see all notification history by the user, and the referral bonus log too. You will also see it here. So under settings, we can go to general settings. This is where you can be able to set the site the way you want it to be. So your site title name will be here. Your preloaded title to your USD, which is the currency for the platform, and the currency symbol too. So you can put ER there, put euro here. The time zone, you can select the time zone, and the base site color. You can see the color right now. This color is what is placed here. You can see the color there. So by the time you change the color here, it also changes there. For system configuration, you can see user registration here is enabled. You can disable it. Force SSL, you can disable and you can enable. So in agree policy, you can see them now. KYC verification, this is where we can enable and disable them. Email verification, what is disabled. Email notification is what's enabled, so they can actually send mail. Mobile verification is disabled. SMS notification is what disabled. Referral system is allowed, so it's actually enabled. Then whatever way you want your own to work, we either disable or enable it, then you click on submit. When you go to logo and Favicon, this is where you change your logos. You can see this is where you change your Favicon, change your logo here, then you click submit. For KYC settings, you can see these are the KYC documents that are being taken. So you be down to set the forms. You can see the full name, the gender, the hobby, the photo, and you can also add what's new. You can maybe say a checkbox and then make it required. Form label, you can say are you nationality of maybe USA. Let me say for example citizen of USA. Then I'll click add and say add options and say yes or what for the checkbox. No. Okay, let me make here okay for radio. It's going to be radio, so I'll say yes. No. no. I click on what? Add. You see now, that's how you click submit. You see it's what added. For notification setting, you can go to global templates. You see the template for your emails, how your emails actually sends. For email setting, you set up your SMTP, can various has various email setup. So right now it's on FTP. SMS setting, same thing goes for SMS settings. You can choose your SMS send method, put in your API key, API secret and other, then click submit. For the notification templates too, you can see them, your notification templates. So you can see them now. So when by the time you go to manage templates, you can see front-end manager. You can actually manage the content on of the front end. So these are the two templates. You can choose either of them which you want to use. Right now I'm using this first one. When you go to manage pages, various pages which are on the website can be managed here. So I'll click on to edit the home page. You can see these are the various sessions on the homepage. I can remove any of the session that I update, and I can add a session. When I want to add a session, I just drag and drop. You can see them now. Just drag and drop to add a session. These are the various sessions that are actually on the home page. So let me take you to the home page now, so you see what I'm talking about. You can see now. See the session. This is the how it works section. You can see how we work. You can see the about us session. You can see now. So how you want the sessions to be, you just have to drop and drop. So the position matters also. So I will go to manage session now to see the various session. So you can click on the about us session. You'll be able to change the details here. Then you click submit. You can see the title here. So same thing goes for the other sections. You can put your website in maintenance mode too. You can see now it's disabled. You can put it on enable it. Then you put in the content which you want them to see when your website is actually on maintenance. Then you click on submit. So this is how the website works. Now what I'll show you next is how you can actually set up this kind of website either for yourself or for your clients. To be able to set up this website, you need to have a domain name, you need to have a cPanel, and you need to have these scripts. So if you want to get these scripts, all you have to do is contact me through my contact details under this video description. So right now I just logged into my cPanel and I will access my file manager. Just click on it. And I will create a subdomain. So actually for this tutorial, so now I'll click on domains. It's loading up now. And I'll create a new domain. So I'll say Minng gain. Then I will click on submit. So I just created a new subdomain that I will use to show you how you can be able to install this application. So I'll click again. I'm encountering some errors, so just copy and reload again. Okay, now I think it's actually created already, so I'll go to list domains now. Okay, Minng, I will click on here to access the file manager. So now this is the folder which I want to upload my scripts. On your end, it can be under public_HTML. So just for this tutorial, I have to create a new subdomain. So by the time you are under your public_HTML, click on upload. select file and select the script file. So as you can see right now, it's uploading. As you can see on my screen right now, it just finished uploaded. So I will go back to my file manager, then I will reload. So you can see the file right now. I will select the file, right click and click on extract. I will extract into the folder which I want it to be. As you can see now, then I'll go into the folder, select all file, then I'll move it. So the next thing I'll do right now is to create a database. I'll go to my cPanel homepage. I'll go to my SQL database wizard, create a database. I'll call it Minng DB. Copy the database details I just created now. I will come to my file manager again. You see the core folder, so this core folder, select the core folder and open it. So I'll go to .env file. I will right click and click on edit. You see DB database here. I'll paste in my database details here. I'll go back again, then I will create a username, then I will generate a password as a password generator. I will copy the password which I generated, and I will select I have copied it password in the same place, then I'll use this password. Go back to my env file again. I will use the password there, then I'll click create user. You can see user has been created now. Then I will copy the user which was created. I will select all privileges, then I will click on make changes. Go back to my env file. I will paste in the username, then I will save changes. So I'll go back to my cPanel homepage, then I will open PHP my admin. So I will select the database which I just created. As you can see, MyGainDB. I will select it. I'll go back to my file manager again. So you will see the SQL folder. So you download this database file. Then I will click on import my PHP admin. I will select the file, and I import. It's importing right now. So you just finish importing. So what I'll do now is I will load up my application now. So go to the link. You can see right now this is the link. This is the subdomain which I created for this tutorial. That I will go to the link now. You can see it's showing forbidden. So I'll copy this link now, paste it here, paste the link there. I'll click on save. Then I'll go to select PHP version. So you can see now, right now, that the version is in 7.4. So I'll go to 8.1. I'll click on apply. I'll go back. So as you can see right now, it's loading now. So this is it. To access the admin, you copy your link, say /admin, So admin, so you can see now this is the admin dashboard is logged in now, so everything actually works fine. So this is how you can actually install and set up this kind of website for yourself or for your clients, this Minng website. So if you have any difficulty installing this script, all you have to do is contact me. My contact details is on the WhatsApp. My WhatsApp contact details is on the video description. So thank you very much for watching.